So if you're like me and you are sensitive to dry air, especially in the colder months, I would highly recommend you check out this humidifier from Hilife. I wanted to start the review here because I just finished cleaning it and I was so pleased with how easy it was. I've used a couple different humidifiers before and a lot of them, they don't have these big openings here. Some of them are like, how the heck are you supposed to clean it? Because obviously if you've got water sitting somewhere and you're not able to clear it out of there, you're not able to clean it properly, you could get mildew, you could get mold building up on these things, and that's the complete opposite of what you're trying to do. You're trying to improve your health, not make it worse. So this thing was, again, just a real pleasure to clean out. It's just super easy. There's plenty of room in here. You could soak some soapy water in there. I just used the scrub brush here and I've been letting it dry. But it's just that simple. The other thing that's really cool is when you're ready to fill it back up, because of the way they separate the components, you can just pick up the water tank just like this, go ahead and give it a nice big fill. They do recommend using pure water or distilled water. I'm happy to use the filtered water here. So once that's nice and full, we'll just take our lid, pop it on top, and then we're gonna go put this back in the base where we will continue our review. Stay tuned. All right, we got our water tank just about halfway filled up. I didn't want to wait for the filter to run the rest of the water through for the video, so about half full here. Know that when it is completely full, there's about 3 liters in here, which is just shy of a gallon. So this thing is advertised that on the lowest level of mist output, that 3 liters will go about 30 hours of runtime, which is pretty great. So if you're not the type of person that likes doing this every single day, if you're only running it for several hours at night, you can go a couple days before you have to refill this thing. So that's pretty nifty. Now down here, we've got our on-off switch. I've got this darker background here just so you can see the mist output immediately. As soon as we turn it on, boom, kicks into gear. And there goes our mist, okay? So this is on setting 1 right now, as we can see right here. This upper right button will hit the level. Boom, goes to level 2. You can see it is kicking out a little bit more. And if you really want to get some humidity going, boom. Again, you can see extremely responsive. That's quite a bit of mist coming out. Because of how powerful it is, we generally keep this a little bit further away from the bed when we sleep. It does recommend too that you keep it a little bit further away from where it's plugged in, anything that is, likely to get damaged by water. So just be mindful of that when you're placing it. We usually go with it on the first setting right here. And what you can see here too is that it's actually got its own humidistat, so it can basically tell you the humidity level of your room. Now the optimal, I'm no doctor here, but the optimal range is somewhere between 45 and 65 relative humidity right there. So right now we're at 62, so actually we're pretty good here already. What this is gonna do now is you can either set it on the auto mode, or if you press this button here, you can directly tell it how humid you want it to be. So it'll go up by 5s, and you can do that all the way up to 100. Don't know why you'd want it to be like that, or you can bring it all the way back down to 40. Just find that sweet spot there. So I like to let it just do its thing. I'll hit this thing until it goes to the dashes here, and that's gonna be on the auto setting. So it's going to pay attention to how humid it is in the room. If it is, if it's reached its optimal level, it'll shut off, okay? And then once it dips down below that level, it'll kick back on. Pretty cool. Now, besides being very easy to clean, besides being, pretty attractive looking device, all things considered, it doesn't look like some big blocky box thing. It's got kind of a modern feel to it. It's really easy to use these buttons down here. They're not exactly buttons, they're not exactly touchscreen, they're somewhere in between. But you hit that sleep thingy and it's gonna shut the display off. I know when I was reviewing other products, a lot of people had problems with units that, you couldn't turn the things off, so it would just be lights on all night long and that would disrupt people's sleep. Here you've got control over that, real simple. And again, these are all very responsive, so we wanna turn it off. Boom, it turns off right away, no more mist. When you're ready for it to do its thing, boom, within seconds. And if we listen real careful here, there's virtually no noise. So again, looks good, easy to clean, easy to fill. It's got some cool settings on it. You can shut the lights off. What more could you really need? And so there you have it. There's the Hilife humidifier, the 3-liter capacity. Again, I love the features here. It's super easy to use, super easy to clean. In my opinion, the best products are the ones that check those boxes. Easy to use, easy to clean, and they work out well. So hope that was helpful for you guys. Be sure to snag one of these if, like me, you need to protect yourself from that drier air, especially when you're sleeping. You don't want to have all that dry throat and that snoring going on. We really like this one. We're going to keep up with it. Have a great rest of your day.